Wow.
There you go. I've done my man job for the day.
I want to give the rug to my mother-in-law. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another videos about house organization and accessory haul and kitchen tools haul. Thanks to Nini for sponsoring this video. I picked out some items from this website and they sent me those for free. If you watched my other house organization video, you probably remember I mentioned that I want to get a cuplet for accessories because I have a lot of accessories and chokers laying on the ground. I mentioned that I will get a plastic one because the real furniture is very expensive and the one I really liked cost a couple $100 and very expensive. So I got the plastic one. This is temporary because in the future maybe I will get the real furniture. This cuplet comes in 2 pieces. You have to put it together. It took me a while to figure out how to put it together. So this one is a jar and you snap this piece on it. Snap it. So this part is the jar. This is the body part. This one is in the back, so it says in the back. It's kind of hard to slap it on. And this is the front. Slap it. This is actually pretty strong. And this is one you put in the back.
There you go. I've done my man job for the day. I have assembled something mechanical.
See, this is very nice. So those are my accessories and chokers. So everything is laying on the ground. I'm so glad I have this so I can put everything in here. I wish the jar wider so I can put 3, but right now I can only put 2 rows. And I have a lot of chokers. I need to organize it. A jar of headband and hair accessories. Wow. And here's some collars and chokers and some chokers I made. Here are my garter and hamnets. I think I will move the umbrella out of the way and I will put carpet next to my dressing table. Wow, that's perfect. Oh, it's looking really good. I actually want another one. It looks really nice and very organized. It looks better than I expected. I love it a lot. This matches with everything else in this room. It matches with the dressing table and it matches with the mirror. The color of the front jar and the side is not exactly the same. The front looks white. The color of the side is like cream, light cream. It's not pure white. When I received a box of pieces at the beginning, I thought, wow, it looks very plastic. I didn't expect it looks pretty good after you put it together. And finally, I put all the accessories in the jar. I actually want another one so I can put another cuplet on the other side of the dressing table so it's symmetric. Yeah, I'm happy about it. It's looking pretty good. It matches everything else in this room. Looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to share some accessories I picked out this time. I have been wearing the bow tie, so I got 3 different colors. And this one is pink. I think the color matches its skirt. And I got another one is black, and this one is blue. I like to collect bow ties because I have lots of plain shirt, and I like to wear shirt underneath suspender skirt, so I can wear the bow ties to go with skirt. So this will just make your outfit look cuter and sweeter. This one is black. You can wear it with the black dress, black skirt. I don't think I have this shade blue skirt. It's got color brown, so I could wear brown skirt. Personally, I prefer to wear high waist skirt because it will make your legs look longer when you wear a high waist. Because when you wear a high waist skirt, it just feels like under your waist are all legs. The quality is pretty good. The satin is thick. Looks very pretty. I really love those small chokers, and this one is made of velvet. It's a little bit squeezed. The material is velvet. I also like to collect chokers and make chokers. Most of my chokers are black. I like black chokers. I think black chokers make your neck look sexier and longer. The next one is the thigh high. It looks pretty sexy. I'm going to show you. Ta-da! Next one is a piano rack. Piano is one of my favorite pattern. I want to give the rack to my mother-in-law because she plays piano and she also has a piano. I think this rack would matches her piano. Super adorable, right? If you have a piano, this rack will be a perfect decoration. And next up will be our kitchen supplies. I finally got this one, oven glove. If you watch my second channel, you probably know that we didn't have oven glove, and I used towel when I pick things out of the oven. And right now we have oven gloves. This one is useful. Color looks like chocolate. Look, it's got music notes, piano key. I actually have been using it. It's a very creative cup. And next one is strawberry cup. Very cute cup. You can take it to school or take it to office. Wow. One thing I don't like the cup because when you open the cup, it has a noise. The sound, I don't like the noise. It makes me crazy. Okay, when I close it, I don't like the noise. This is like when you scratch the chalk on the board, the chalk. When you write, scratching sound makes crazy, and this sound makes me crazy. Maybe because the rubber on the top, if I take out the rubber, maybe it has no sound. Oh yeah, it's good now. If you don't like the sound, take out the wrapper. I don't like the wrapper. Super cute. It'll match my strawberry dress. And next will be some kitchen supplies. You might think it's useless because my husband thinks this one is useless, but it's useful for me. So this supply is for washing vegetables and fruit. It has the dots to drain out the water. So if you don't have it, and when you pull the water, the vegetable might get out. So that's why I get this one. This is for washing vegetables and fruit. Drain the water. It's quite useful for me. I also got some supplies for making cake. I have been talking about making cake, and I think right now I have all the supplies to making a cake. And this one is the cake stand. This one is plastic, rotating, so it rotates. And those are the tools for decorating cake. If I make cake, it will be on my second channel, and I'm thinking about I will make cake this summer. It will be a fun and a big project making cake because I have never made cake before, so it will be my first time making a cake. And next is a watermelon shaper cutter. This is not a toy and this is not made of plastic. So if you have a watermelon and you use it to cut the watermelon, so you can hold the bottom and eat watermelon. It looks like that. The quality is not bad. It's not plastic. The top part is plastic, but this part is stainless. This tool is plastic. I don't think it's a good quality. It is made of plastic, and this tool is for peeling off the orange peel. This is the tool. This is the sponge, but the cover is like sandpaper. So this one is to clean off the bottom of the pan, because when you cook stuff, the bottom of the pan will get burned. You use it to clean off the bottom of the pan. And this is another tool for making a cake. This one is pretty good quality. This part is not plastic. Here I got some clean sponge and to clean the pans. Yeah, those just for the kitchen stuff. Finally, I got the potato smasher. If you remember the video when I'm making the super long fries, we didn't have the supply and it was hard for me to smash the potato. The cut is not bad, it's not plastic. This is the small size of potato smasher. Do you know what is this? This tool is pick up the bowl. Grab the bowl out of the pan. So if you steam stuff too hot to pick it up, and this one is the tool to pick up the hot bowl. When you use this, you need to be careful. So you need to grab it tightly so the bowl will not fall. So you need to be careful to use it. This is a very interesting tool, and I wanted to try on my second channel. So this kitchen supplies is to make noodles, different kind of noodles. This is not high quality. It's made of plastic. So I don't know how this one works, but I'm going to try it on my second channel. It'll be interesting to try out the kitchen supplies and to tell you if it's useful or if it's not. And the last one, you probably think it's useless. Cheap material is plastic. When you're making noodles and you pull out the water and you use it to hold the noodle when you pull the water, you drain the water out. So that's all for today, and most items are for housing and for the kitchen. I'll see you in next video soon. Bye bye!